My name's Ian. I live in wine country in Sonoma, and I retired here about 5 years ago. One Saturday, we were heating something in the microwave. I probably misprogrammed it. The contents caught fire. I tried to put it out by opening the door, which stopped the power going, but on the other hand, all the smoke came out. And it was a very, very oily, sticky smoke. We have a large living room area, and that was the place that got the smoke damage. I came across this amazing list of organizations that had a service that was specifically oriented towards remediating this. And amongst these organizations was Dry Kings. And I picked up the phone and I called, spoke with Matt, and he said, "Don't worry," he says, "I will be there within 2 hours." This is on a Sunday. He came in with some hydroxyl generators and some big fans, said we should leave these on for a day or so and they might help things, but that it was likely that major work was going to be necessary to clean down all the walls and all the contents of the kitchen and everything else. It was a difficult situation for us because our house was turned upside down as a result of it. It didn't look like there was a lot of damage, but the stench was enormous. And every piece of a wall and every piece of furniture and all the contents of all the drawers, they all smelt badly. The first line of defense, which was washing down every single surface in the great room, and by every single surface, I mean every single surface. Matt's organization took every single drawer out, took all the contents out of every drawer, washed them all, put them on temporary tables, cleaned the inside of all of the drawers, removed the oven and cleaned behind it, removed the dishwasher and cleaned behind it. Everything was cleaned. I think he had 7 people working here at one point simultaneously. He did a complete plan of our house and measured every single surface in terms of the number of square feet it was, and there was a costing set up for how much it cost to clean those, how much it cost to take a drawer out. And this was totally accepted by the insurance company and made it very easy for us to make a claim. There was never a quibble on that front. I'm very pleased with Dry Kings. They did an excellent job. It was very professional. It was very sensitively done because in the circumstances that one is in when one's entire life is upside down unexpectedly, it's quite stressful. And everything that Matt and Dry Kings did alleviated that. I was perfectly happy to give them the combination to our house so that they could come and go when we weren't here. If anybody has any type of smoke or water damage in their house, they absolutely need to have an organization like Dry Kings look after it.